Matata, the Great Rift Valley, is one of Kenya's most dramatic geographical features and includes 9 dormant volcanoes and 7 lakes. In 1893, John Gregory conducted the first exploration of the Rift Valley by a geologist. Gregory predicted that the trough, ranging in width from 50 to 90 kilometers, that runs for 6,000 kilometers down the length of Africa, will be visible from the moon. Photographs taken of the Earth from 150,000 kilometers out in space confirm the accuracy of Gregory's prediction. Here we go. Welcome to the show. It can't get better than this. My name is Noor Ismail Nozol, diesel engineer, filmmaker, storyteller. Join me as I share my passion for building trucks and traveling to the remotest part of northeastern Kenya. I'll make you feel like nothing but a stranger now. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and remember to hit that notification bell to make sure that you catch up our weekly series of videos. And we have no idea why they let Nakuru attract thousands of flamingos. What's special about it?
No, I have no idea. But we just need to dig a little bit deep for our viewers.
If it was not super very far, we would have passed by. Look at this story. On the river shore or river bank.
Yeah, maybe if we develop a good timing on our way back, who knows if we will be able to.
Because it's still the same road we're gonna go.
Yeah.
And the camp is like that. So I think for now, let us search for. I think we have passed the behind the
street
roads from the main highway.
Yeah.
For now, I think we are searching for the route which will lead us to Samburu, but through Nakuru. We're gonna try to search our Mr. Bukosa.
No, we don't.
We do manually.
I thought we have to do it manually.
Huh?
I thought we do it manually.
Do it manually. Let us park the car, join this road, and go back to the center. From there, we'll be able to know exactly which direction.
But even if we get a road that goes like this, okay, return.
Why not join the main?
Okay. It's a wide, long streets. I have admired the streets. The setup of the city is beautiful, very green. Green. I have a question. I don't know why Kenyans are still. They have a majority of their cars are old cars, old model cars, 504, 404, Nissan diesel trucks. They don't
buy brand new cars.
Okay.
I think few. environment, Tata Nakuru, Suzu. They're still really fighting for the environmental. But I think they're maintaining the trees. Yeah, it really shows clearly. Although there's an issue of climate issue, see, they're planting more trees. They will beautify their cities. Yeah, more attractive. If you have never reached Nakuru, this is the beauty of Nakuru. We name it the Flamingo City.
Yeah.
Because really attract thousands of flamingos in the lake Nakuru. So this is among our road plan to pass by a little bit to have a footage videos of flamingos offshore to a bank of Lake Nakuru. That will be on the return, signing out from the finishing line.
Yeah.
Here we are. This is now the really face of Nakuru. This is a really face of Nakuru. This is city center.
I think so.
It's bustling city. Which is the capital of the only capital in the western Kenya. It's located in the Rift Valley. This is Nakuru. Population density as well, we expect to be high because
Yeah.
it's cosmopolitan city. It is among the biggest cities in the country. So, we are just signing out from Nakuru city center. As you know, Nakuru is the capital city of Nakuru County. Alright, as we continue, you just stay tuned, subscribe and hit the bell button, comment, because we're looking forward for more are yet to be discovered and more are yet to be shared. Looking forward to that. Thanks for watching. Let's hit it off! It can't get better than this. It's amazing. An epic view of a place called Subukia at 2,350 meters above the sea level. And before showing you that spectacular place, amazing, let me give you a little bit of the history, and you'll be able, maybe you can remind yourself, and maybe even to start dropping a comment even before you saw the view. Where, can you guess where it is? Where the altitude on the place, Subukia, it is 2,350 meters above the sea level. This is the great Rift Valley. And this is what representing, you will know, even if you can be able to identify Africa, and particularly East Africa. It can be easily, visually visible, seen with satellites because of that great, when I say great, it's enormous Rift Valley from Israel. Remember this previous episode, we talked about the story of this great Rift Valley. From Israel, you know how many kilometers? The total cost of it? 6,000 K. From Israel, Mozambique, Tanzania, Kenya, Ethiopia, up to the North Africa. 6,000 K. It's not a joke, that's a massive. And it's amazing, spectacular view, very spectacular. And we may also ask ourselves, what form? I'm not a geologist, I'm not a scientist, but it's also good to know about everything. Why not? If not, why not? I think it's a clear sign, indicator of a volcanic or subterranean, this earth we are in. Things can happen underground here, we have no idea. But this is a clear picture of showing this, how Kenya is being divided by two. Divide Kenya by two pieces. So we have two segments of Kenya. Now this is a Eastern Kenya, there, that side is Western Kenya, because of that huge valley. And I think this valley, this great Rift Valley, has a history to tell. First, let's pay attention to the history. Here we go. Hapa hakuna matata. The Great Rift Valley is one of Kenya's most dramatic geographical feature and includes 9 dormant volcanoes and 7 lakes. In 1893, John Gregory conducted the first exploration of the Rift Valley by a geologist. Gregory predicted that the through, ranging in width from 50 to 90 kilometers, that runs for 6,000 kilometers down the length of Africa, will be visible from the moon. Photographs taken of the Earth from 150,000 kilometers out in space confirm inaccuracy of Gregory's prediction. Here we go. Welcome to the show. I think you got it. This is where we talked about mankind discovered in Africa, especially, East Africa is known by its histories. The skeleton of the apes finds, it was in the same, I believe. I think I've heard some little history. It was on this great Rift Valley discovered. A sign of mankind living in Earth, on Earth for millions of years. And here we are. This time, let me show you what I'm talking about. Great and the greatness, huge, enormous Rift Valley. Here we are. Enjoy. With your naked eye. Is it naked?
No, it is covered with black shades. But I can look at it.
Wow, it's amazing, huh? It's amazing.
I think it is a high time our brothers and sisters, our viewers, our followers should put on,
amazing,
raise their socks, put on their shoes.
It can't get better than this.
And just
fantastic.
Come on the ground and look at this great,
I love it,
scenery here.
It's amazing.
As our captain had said, he did a bit of history. For me, I'm mainly a man of stones and trees. But if you look at it, it's really amazing.
Amazing, amazing.
I'm sure you are seeing it.
It's amazing, man.
From Israel to Mozambique, 6,000 kilometers.
And I think according
the altitude is 2350 meters above the sea level.
Above sea level.
He sends you a message how amazing and how miracles can really happen now, or how they have always happened. But I think it's worth once in a while you need to step out of your own compound, your own sitting room, your living room, comfort zone, and come out.
Really amazing, especially if you are landscape enthusiast, you love really to take pictures and pictures.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. It's amazing, eh? It's amazing.
It's really...
Look at the earth. Look at horizon. If you're here, it's as if you can see the whole planet in a sphere form. Amazing.
Amazing.
Eh? Amazing.
Yeah, so beautiful.
So beautiful. So amazing. Eh?
So this is what we said we would keep discovering.
Those are the magic places now, guys.
Keep getting for
and
you.
because of, it shows clearly, millions of years, as per scientists, it shows this surface was flat. And due to factors which has occurred under the surface of the planet, it has made it's amazing geological mystery. Such a mystery. It's unpredictable. But here we are, and I can see Mount Elgon. It's, I think, that side, horizon, and if you see Turkana land, where we were yesterday, it was a lowland, and this is the same part of it which is going to be passed through the Turkana, with the desert area, and it's a lowland caused by from Israel, Mozambique up to here. It's really a great rift valley. It's well known on Earth.
Yeah.
Even I think I've read a satellite a documentary about this great rift valley. You know, on satellite picture, it is at night with the light of moonlight. It really showed clearly. Gregory predicted that the through ranging in width from 50 to 90 kilometers that runs for 6,000 kilometers down the length of Africa will be visible from the moon. Photographs taken of the Earth from 150,000 kilometers out in space confirm in accuracy of Gregory's prediction. Here we go. How the East Africa will be divided by two. I think if you could have also night view with that amazing moonlight. Amazing, guys. Just the one tell me, guys. That is it. It is what it is. We're still hitting the road. Let's first show you the map where we are right now. Come in. The Great Rift Valley, Hakuna Matata. Yes? Now. All right. Jambo, Kenya, Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata. Here we are, the Great Rift Valley. As you said, you see, when we talk about Israel, it has passed through, from this, Israel, Egypt, passed through Eritrea, Ethiopia, Kenya. Right now, we are here. And soon going to cross the border to Tanzania, Malawi. Woo! What a place.
I think partly it also touched a bit of
part of western, eastern Sudan. Yeah, really great. Meaning it's something like a boil, a bowel shape, but from this to this.
Yeah.
It is. Does it not a great thing? Amazing.
It is very great.
Mystery. It will remain ever mystery on Earth.
Yeah.
Such a longest in the world. That's fantastic.
6,000.
6,000 kilometers. Maybe one day, if they're going to be a way, they can pay for us a highway. Not even pay with the platform, even rough road, no problem. But from this, so we could cruise in that bowel form.
Yeah.
From this point to this point, and we say, we made it! Celebration, man. Good. Nice. I think you've been updated. It is what it is. The rest you can read through the books and the history. Feed yourself.
We've given you first hand.
Fill the puzzle unfilled. Good to go.
Yeah.
That's not all. That's just the beginning of the second segment.
Yeah.
Beginning of it.
The beginning.
Nakuru, that side, on my right hand side, this is northwestern Rift Valley. North Rift Valley. This is Nakuru. Yeah, it's in North Rift Valley, yes. So here is Eastern Rift Valley, isn't it? And that side it's south. No, first follow. North is just Nakuru is in Northeast Valley. Isn't it, madam? Yeah? Correct. Yeah. So it is what it is. Yeah. They will feed it is what it is.
What is it?
It is what it is.
What is it?
It is.
But wouldn't I know?
The viewer will know.
Okay, thank you.
You feel it, they get feeling. But it is what it is. It's great to be here. Let us continue with our adventure. Epic across Kenya without reaching Rift Valley. How can you count that we have made it, Kenya? Thanks for watching, and
I'll make you feel like nothing but a stranger now.
if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and remember to hit that notification bell to make sure that you catch up our weekly series of videos.